y'all, check this out, man. It's raining right now. I don't think that this phone is waterproof. This the 5S. Y'all Google it for me, y'all. So what just happened right now? I'm finna get my equipment, okay? And whoo, look at this, look at this, look at this. Just soaking. So she's down. Oh, we about to do a phenomenal gallery by Jaja shoot. This how we shoot. We don't make excuses, we just get the job done. And so we're finna go. She has an abundance of clothes. We're finna get creative. This is finna be phenomenal. I'm gonna show you the photo shoot afterwards. I'm getting soaked. I love it. Let's go. Oh, oh. So now I got a bridal shoot. There go my lens. I'm trying to find my lens now. I got a bridal shoot. This is real time, real live. And I got a message on not worrying about the issues at hand. Legitimately, the wedding is on Saturday, but I got the bridal shoot today. We are supposed to be doing this shoot right now. If you see, it is pouring. It is pouring. So my message today is about working with the flow. See, the reason why this photo session is about to be phenomenal is because I'm crazy enough to work with the cards that God has handed me with. Are you willing to work with the cards that God has handed you with? Creativity, true creativity starts out of a problem. Anybody who's ever made money, right? Let's look at our most successful businesses right now. What are they doing? They're solving a problem that the masses need or enjoy. Today I'm gonna use that same principle. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll get back to you. We'll see how this shoot goes. Dum, dum, dum. But God just showed me the funniest thing. You know those cartoons where somebody uses the bathroom and you know, the worst case scenario, you come out the bathroom and it's like a toilet paper hanging out for your shoe. So this woman she's walking and she feels something and she pauses. And as she pauses, she notices that there's a long strand of toilet paper hanging from underneath her shorts. And so I turn my head like this. Like I don't notice anything, but dude, it's like you think you're going through something right now? God will show you something way 10 times worse, man. What am I talking about? Yo, I need help right now finding a spot. I found a couple locations right now that are not as wet, that we can still utilize because of the rain, and the elements of the ground will still bring for even more phenomenal shoot. You look at the floor, just very, very, very wet circumstances. Very, just, it's real dark if you look at the clouds. Funny thing is though, you'll be surprised just what you can do when the clouds give you that shadow box feel. You'll be surprised to see what you can get. Literally. literally. Now, the question comes, you know, this shoot specifically is, now this is the welcome package, so this is 2 outfit changes. We have the one wedding outfit and another one. So I'm interested to find out what we'll do today. If we'll do the wedding shoot or the bridal shoot on Wednesday, that's the next day she's available, on a day that may be brighter, and then knock out the other outfit here, since we could probably get that dirty, and I'll post the photos here. Or if we just knock out both. let's see just how my bride would want to do this shoot. You know, when working with clients, you really want to make sure that you're cooperating on a communication level. You know, you don't want to do anything that the bride may feel uncomfortable with. but at the same time, you do kind of want to push the buttons to be able to express your creativity. But don't be scared to ask. So that's definitely what I'm gonna do. Should be meeting the bride in like the next 10 minutes. She's in traffic right now. This is about to be dope. So let's see what happens, y'all. The clock strikes 10, and I remember you. And don't forget the promise you made to me. I'll see you in June. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Y'all, first outfit complete. We managed to get some incredible shots. I am drenched, soaking wet right now, but it's all good. It's part of the creative process. I have a dope model right now who is down for this just spontaneous, God-given environment. Let me see if you can see some of them right now. So right now it's kind of dry, but before, I mean, it was pouring. And I was actually just, if you see that middle place right there, I was in the middle of this whole area while my model was sitting on one of those red chairs right there, okay? And literally as I'm in the middle of this place, my camera is like, let me see. I'm holding my camera like this, so the water's on my back. And I'm holding my camera like this just to get the shot. So you can imagine. What a day. What a day. Thank God right now. We're at the next location for the second outfit change. Flowers bouquet. I like the color coding that we're using here. Umbrella is coming out. We're gonna play with these colors. We have like purples and greens in here. A lot of those green family accents. And so that's what we're gonna be shooting now. Beautiful. Exciting. This is different. Man, if y'all want me to do more of these type of videos, let me know. If not, I'm just gonna be doing them anyway. I feel as though I have a lot of phenomenal shoots, every single one, matter of fact, that just does not get captured. If you're a videographer and you're interested in capturing my photo shoot, like the behind the scenes and doing what you do and allowing me to do the photography, man, let me know. I'll leave a link in the description. I feel we can make phenomenal photography videos. Not even tutorials, just videos. I feel the experience of seeing another photographer shoot is enough to give you an idea of what goes on behind the creative process. So, we'll see. Huh? About that time, let's get it. I don't know if y'all seen it in the last video, but right now I am drenched. Goodness great. This is beautiful. Still raining. I wonder if my 60D is water sealed. Doesn't even matter. I rented it. It's a rented lens. If it doesn't end up working, I slide it in the package unapologetically. Hopefully they don't double charge me. But how y'all doing, man? What controversies have you ever been through that have allowed you to see more opportunities? I feel we should practice the art of allowing a negative, quote unquote, to allow you to create a positive that you wouldn't have experienced otherwise. Let me know. I feel like this is a conversation that we should talk about. May do a speech on this. I may do a speech on this, y'all. Yeah, we out. All right, y'all. There's a couple different props that I have right now with me today. For the first set of the shoot, bokeh, this right here, color contrast, if you look, it's gonna help blend with the back of that wall that we're gonna use. I happen to have one of these chairs, this bad boy. It's gonna be dangerous. What else? There's something else I wanna use too as we go around this sidewalk. If you see there, I may put the chair right there on the floor and try to get some elements that come back. We have a lot of rustic stuff going on there as well. Let's see. And then, element purpose. For something like this, we may use this. So you see the chains coming in. You got a lot of rust going in. And if you look at what's going on there, you get a lot too. But my main ish right here, is this wall. That wall is gonna be used. Umbrella, probably gonna remove that. We're gonna remove that, and that's gonna be the shoot. And then we're gonna so we have composition there, composition over there, and you have all of that. Composition there, and then you have another composition there. Like 4 different things.
Strikes 10 and I remember you. Can you still keep it?
Oh, it's recording. Hey, we're gonna look into the lens. This has been a beautiful, phenomenal photo shoot with Taylor. I'm honored. Taylor, give a shout out.
Hey, getting married on Saturday, so I had to kind of get some portraits done. Thanks, Mike, for doing that, by the way.
How do you feel right now?
Amazing, like ecstatic. I'm feeling a little impatient because I want to see the pictures now. But yes, I'm ecstatic. I feel like I can seriously, no, I can't wait. I'm like so excited.
look, this has been a phenomenal experience, and I think, I really thank Taylor. I thank you, honestly.
Thank you.
Now, I'm gonna be honest. I thank you. This opened my eyes today on a lot. So,
Fantastic.
and I mean that. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I want to give you something that's just that you can really